Welcome. In this video, I'll guide you through the installation of the BizAutom Pro version wheelchair scale. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the following components. Scale base, 2 ramps, 4 ramp holders, 1 indicator, 1 connection cable, 2 side protection walls, 2 wheels, 2 handles, a tool kit with wrenches, screws, bolts, and fasteners. Step 1. Install the wheels. Start with the scale base, the side protection walls with 8 holes, the 2 wheels, and 8 M6 bolts and nuts. Set the scale upright, with the side that has 8 mounting holes facing up. Align one of the side protection walls over these holes. Place the wheels in position and secure them using the M6 bolts and nuts. Tighten each bolt using the included wrenches. Step 2. Install the handles. Flip the scale upside down so the other side with 4 holes is facing up. Align the second side protection wall and insert the 2 handles into the holes. Important. Make sure the handles fold downward toward the bottom of the scale. If they fold upward, they're installed incorrectly. Fasten the handles using the nuts from the inside of the protection wall. Tighten all nuts using the included wrench. Step 3. Attach the adjustable feet. Screw the feet onto each load cell fully. Align the 2 holes in each foot with the edge of the scale. Do not fully tighten the feet at this stage. Step 4. Install the ramp holders. Use the M6 countersunk screws and nuts to install the ramp holders on both sides. Make sure the outer edge of each holder lines up with the edge of a ramp. Tighten the screws securely. Step 5. Mount the ramps. Lay the scale upside down. Position the ramp holders over the scale's feet, aligning the holes. Insert all 4 screws but do not tighten yet. Adjust the ramp to align with the scale base edge, then tighten all screws. Repeat the process for the second ramp on the opposite side. Step 6. Secure the load cell feet. Stand the scale up vertically against a wall. Using a 17 mm wrench or pliers, not included, tighten the 2 lock nuts on each foot. 1 nut secures to the load cell, the other secures to the foot. Repeat for all 4 feet. Step 7. Connect the indicator. Plug one end of the cable into the scale base and lock the connector. Lay the scale flat. Plug the other end into the indicator and lock that connector as well. Final step. Turn on the indicator and your wheelchair scale is ready for use. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at 909-318-1198 or email admin@bizautom.com. Thank you for choosing BizAutom.